All right, everybody. I'm Igor. Welcome to my workshop. I hope this is working. This is my first attempt at live streaming. Well, we'll see how it goes. Now today I'm going to be putting together this massive unit, which is an Artillery X1 3D printer. A large print bed, large print volume. It has a few nice features. I'm going to talk about them while I'm putting this thing together. So I'll be right back and we will get started. And that's my puppy. All right, I've told my son not to yell too much. I don't know, guys, if you can hear me or not. I hope you do. I've never done this before. Okay, so this is a quite concise instruction manual. So it looks very, very simple. Okay, just a second. My dog out. Can I go outside? Can I go? No? It's not a dog, it's a cat. Okay. Whatever he is. Okay, let me get the gantry. So this is the gantry. And it is supposed to go right about here. All right. Yes. Okay, so theoretically what I'm supposed to do, only has 4 screws. Okay, you know what? Let me put this aside for a while. There's a bunch of crap here, so I don't need this, I don't need this. Yet, I don't need this. I don't need this. This. And some Allen keys. Let's see. Which one do I need? Yeah, this one. What's this? Oh, a ribbon cable. Is it? Okay, I don't know what this is. Just not figure out. I don't need all this. I need this. I don't need anything. What am I doing here? Okay, let's see what's on this side. Okay. It has. Okay, so we just put these screws through these holes. So where are you supposed to add those? Yeah, there are locking washers. So which side do they go to? Okay, so you put it together like this. This one goes here, and then through this hole. There are wires here. I've got to be careful. Push them aside. Okay, now there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, all the way through. Yeah, and 4. I'm gonna put all of them here. No wires on that side, so basically it looks like this. This side, alrighty. Yeah, gantry. Gantry goes like this, I guess. Yeah, that's the front. And that's the front of it. Okay, this doesn't make me particularly happy, but we'll see. Okay, I can screw it in. No problem. Yeah, maybe a problem here. Actually, it's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. So I'm gonna start these two screws, then I'm gonna there are some wires here and there. I guess you should try not to pinch them. It's not fully seated here. So what is wrong? So, okay, let me tighten this side up. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to tighten that yet. I want to show you something rather important. Okay, so the gantry is supposed to go in like this. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's in. Okay. Yeah. Now let's just tighten those screws. So I'm going to tighten them, both screws on this side, and I'll turn it around and show you something, well, not really concerning, but something you got to be careful about. Come on. Why can't I? No, I guess I need to snap these. They're getting, the print head is getting in the way. So I'm gonna snap these key ties. Yeah. Can I look now? Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. So now I can finally do this. On the other side, tighten these screws properly. Yep. Tighten them all the way. Okay. Come on. There we go. Now, as I said before, there are two screws on each side. So I have a problem with 3 of these screws. However, turn this thing around. This 4th screw, I hope you can see it. So there are some wires here. So you've got to be extra careful not to pinch these wires with the screw. So I'm going to push them aside and tighten this one. Come on. Come on. Get in there. There you go. Okay. Tighten this one as well, and that's about it for the gantry. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, so this was step 1. Now for the step 2. Okay, so for the step 2, I need to put together the spool holder. I mean, I saw videos people complaining about this spool holder. We'll see how it works. Okay, what does it say? Fix the spool holders at the top of the printer. Adjust the width to fit the size of your filament spool. Make sure the filament sensor is facing forward. So this is the filament sensor, and forward is that way. So you can't see it. Yeah, there it is. So forward, forward is this way. So it kind of goes like this, right? Yes? No? This, I guess, is the cable for this for the filament runout sensor. So basically, it consists of these two pieces, which are not really attached to one another. Okay, that's a funky way to make a spool holder, but well, anyway, I'm gonna get myself 4 these small screws. Well, that's a nice touch. They've provided extra screws, which is nice. Okay, so let's screw it in place. So this goes here, and you just like screw it in like this. Is that really? Maybe I'm probably missing something. How's it supposed to work? I'm sorry. Am I doing something? Oh, okay. Okay. So this is supposed to be a what? This is confusing. Now this is confusing. Sorry. Yes, it goes like this, but there are no holes here. That's interesting because there is no. What? Okay, so this is. I think we ran into our first issue here. I don't understand how this part goes together. Honestly, I mean, I know I'm not the brightest person in the world, but how is this supposed to work? Are there any holes on this side? No. Oh, okay. Yeah, I knew. See these things, and 2 more right here. Okay, yeah, I knew it all together. It was totally my fault. Okay. Whew. All right, at least we're not missing anything. Yeah. Where's this one? Where are my screws? Okay, so let's say this one goes right about here. Okay, good. So let's see. I'm gonna use this roll of gray PLA. Yeah, that's probably about right. So this one will go here. Again, tighten this up. tighten this up. I mean, I heard people complaining about this contraption. We'll see. I mean, most of my spools are all the same size, so it probably will not be a big deal for me. You know, if you use different spools, different size, then you may want to actually look for some alternative. All right. So let's maybe move it a little bit to the left or to the right from this side. Yeah, about this far. All right. Good. Now let's see how this thing fits. This is super confusing, but okay. So, okay. I need to unscrew these two a little bit and move this part. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yeah. This is about right. We'll see. I mean, again, I heard people are not really happy with this spool holder. We'll see how it works. Okay, and I messed it up, haven't I? Yes. So I need to put it a little bit closer. It's too far apart now. So a little bit closer. Kind of like this. Yep. Yep, good enough. That's good enough. All right, so the spool holder is done. Kind of, sort of. It's rotating freely, which is good news. Now, what's next? What does it say? Yeah. Connect the filament runout sensor as shown in the pictures below. So one end goes right over here, I guess. Right. It goes right here. And the other end, which is somewhere here, there it is. So let me. Too noisy there. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there are two cables here. One is for the motor. The other one is for this filament runout sensor. So the one for the motor is black and has more pins than the one for the runout sensor. So it is supposed to be plugged in somewhere. There it is. It's here. So there's a socket here. This one. So this one goes in like this. Alrighty. Connect the Z end stop to the cable. So one of the features of this printer, it has non-mechanical Z stops. I believe they are inductive Z stops, so it doesn't have those clicky switches. So connect Z and stop. Where is it, by the way? Is it on that side? Yeah, it's on this side. So let me remove these cable ties as well. All right, and yeah, here it is. There is that Z axis stop cable connected to the key. Oh, okay. So there is a gray cable here with a plug, and you just connect them. All right, done. Now, connect Z stepper motors as shown in the picture below. Okay, this should be pretty obvious. We remove this tape here. No one needs it anymore. It's a shipping tape. All right, so there's one here. Yes, it goes in like this. Click, clickety click, and this one right here on this side. Let me see if I can turn this around. Yeah, so basically they could have plugged it in themselves. I don't know why they do that. I mean, it's literally right here. Oh, sorry, this is x-axis. This is z-axis, and the cable is here. So, I don't think there would have been any problem anyway. I mean, okay, so oops. Step 6. All right, so here comes the fun part. Flat cables. Connect the X carriage and filament vanilla sensor as shown in the picture to the base. So this is our flat cable. Yes, and it's not connected here. So what we do is we turn it over like this, and we just, okay, so this is one of the problems with this printer, or well, at least potential problems. See, flat cables are all nice. I mean, this is an appropriate usage of flat cables, but you know, in the first versions of this, first revisions of this printer, these flat cables were actually, they were like little clamps on the sockets. So you inserted this ribbon cable and you like clamped it, so it won't go anywhere. Here you just plug it in and hope for the best. This is something I'm not very happy with, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm connected this one, and all right, this one is connected. There is supposed to be one more flat cable. So connect FCC to the board. Okay, hold on. I've connected this one. Is there any other? No. So, well, while I'm at it, I'm going to connect the X-axis motor like this. What should we do? Okay, so plug this in. Yeah, something. Okay. So move this. Move the head aside. So if you move the head aside, then turn this around so you can see it better. Come on. There is a flat cable which goes from here all the way down to here. I'm trying to Yeah, let's do this. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is a flat cable. You are supposed to insert it right here. It's not very convenient, but you know. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, regarding these clamps on the sockets. I think at some point in time I may actually come back to it and perhaps, I don't know, attach them with it. All right, this part is not moving, so it's probably not a problem. All right, what's next? Okay, so this one is connected. Now, adjust the tension of all wheels on the machine. Okay, let's see how well they are adjusted. So, I'd say this one is adjusted pretty well. It doesn't wiggle. It doesn't wiggle at all. But these, no wiggle here. And the bed, yeah, it's rock solid. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Well, this actually means that we're almost done. Yeah, now you can connect power and turn on the machine. So let's remove this piece of paper. And I'm going to show you something else. Yeah, so one of the cool features of this printer is that it has a mains-powered print bed. Yeah, so it has, well, in case of the US model, 110 volts running into it. Because of this, it heats up very quickly, which is good, right? But as again one of the reviewers noticed, and now I see it as well. See, this is your mains power going into the bed. There is no strain relief. So yeah, it seems like the movement here is pretty minimal, but well, you know, minimum movements over time, they do accumulate. Yeah, so this may be a problem later, but there is a solution for that. Of course, you can download a model on Thingiverse with there's like a clamp which fixes this cable to the print bed. All right, so let's actually plug it in and give it a try, shall we? Okay, this is our cable. Oh, come on. Why do I need to packet this? Come on. All right, there we go. I heard people complaining about this cable being very short, but it is at least 3 feet. So it's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad. All right, let's plug it in. Okay, it's on. They have provided a small thumb drive. Another cool feature of this printer is that it has both micro SD and USB readers. So what I'm going to do is, okay, let's see. Let's go to Tools, Heat. So let's preheat the bed to, let's say, 65 degrees. That's a nice temperature for PLA. So it is it heating up? Yeah, 35. Yeah, it's heating up quickly. 38, 43, 47. Yeah, I like it. 50, 53. I'm gonna 60. Well, I must say that the heat is not really even, but you know, it's a large bed. It has a lot of thermal inertia. It'll get there. Okay. Okay, let's switch to extruder and let's heat up our extruder to, how about, what do I have here on my PLA? Let's heat it to, how about 250? So 215. Okay, the extruder is supposedly heating up as well. So meanwhile, let me get this filament. Okay, let's feed it through this runout detection sensor. Pretty please. Feed it through. Yes, no. Please. Please. Okay, I mean, there is some resistance there. Let's see. Okay, so we are at 215. A little bit, we've overshot a little bit, but it's coming back to the right temperature. So, let me go to Tools and Level. All right. So it's preheated. Level. So, okay, it's moving. It's quiet. It's really quiet. I like it. All right, where's my piece of paper? Way too far. Yes, it's all way too far. Okay. Is it even doing anything? So, oh yeah, let's get in closer. That's like too much. That's too little. That's probably about right. The adjustment wheels are nice and big, so it's actually very easy to adjust. Maybe a bit tighter. Just possibly maybe a little bit tighter. Shush. Second. All right. Yeah, so it has this four-point leveling, which doesn't make too much sense from the geometrical perspective, because a plane is defined by 3 points, not 4. You don't need 4. We'll see how it works before I do anything. Yeah. Continue. Away. It happens. Okay, too much. Too little. This is. Okay, that's probably about right. 4. Okay. Okay, so before we leave, let's double check this. This is a little bit too much. Too much. Yeah, that's the problem with this 4-point adjustment. You basically, you're not only leveling your bed, you're warping. And it is inevitable. Just like Famous is. But okay, this, good. Okay, so let's do another round. Okay, this is almost good. This is almost good. This is too much. Side. Barely touching. And last one. We're getting there. We are getting there. Okay. Almost there. Yep. Let's see what's going on in the center. Center is too low. Too low. Okay. This. All right. North. That's still too tight for my liking, but you can adjust 4 points. It needs to be switched to 3 points adjustment. That's for sure. Okay. One last round. One last round. Yep. Okay, back. Now let's the z-axis is quick. All right, let's try loading. Yeah, another issue that I've heard a lot is this PTFE tube. You cannot see it, but it is there. Extrude. Let's extrude a little bit, shall we? Okay, grabbing it, yes, no. Okay, okay, it has gravity. Has it? Okay, it's going. 215 should be about right for this filament. All right, the wheel is turning. Filament is slowly going in. I can feel it, but it's not extruding. Okay, now this is odd. Okay, there it is. There it is. Yeah, it's extruding. Oh yeah, it's extruding. Okay. Ouch. It's hot. Who could have thought? I wonder what they put in there, because there is some black filament inside, some black plastic being extruded. So definitely, they've tested this machine, that's for sure. All right, so I think that's enough. Yep, it's extruding my gray plastic. All right, excellent. So let's try printing something. I want to see if there's anything in this USB. Well, it says cube, so let's print a cube. Okay. So let's heating up the surface to 80 degrees. No. That is at 80, so that is pretty hot. We could do that. Okay, let's see. Oh. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. No, I'm not gonna print that. It's heating up to 230. It's too much. Stop. Stop. Thank you. Cool down. Cool down. That's yeah. They probably have loaded it with some ABS model, I guess. So let me get him. Okay, I wonder if this card reader works. Print reference found. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. Well, I guess I'm gonna stop now, and I'm gonna start another stream when I have prepared a model for this print. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.